Hey guys, it's me, David. I'm back for another video on the geography homework. Because remember last time about volcanoes and stuff. But today, it is all about the rainforest. And basically, as you can see, all around me, there is houses for the rainforest. And I've just built all this. So, I'm gonna be doing... I don't know what I'm gonna be doing. I'm just gonna basically do the thing we were learning about in class yesterday. And it's buffering, that's great. So, yeah. Let's begin. Well, guys, as you can see, I've built my own boat. Do you see this beside me? It's pretty great. Just look at it. No, hang on, let me just turn. Look at that beauty! That is some boat. Can you believe I built that? Because, man, I even put a radio inside of it. So, the first thing we gotta do is fishing! And I see a glorious fish right over there. So, I just, like... If I stop looking at my boat, and if I just move slowly, the fish won't recognize me. Although I am a pirate. And so I'm hoping the fish doesn't recognize me. And we got attacked soon.
This feels familiar. Yep. I've been here before. Unless I haven't.
What's the fish doing? Whoa! Okay, right. Okay. Go.
Hi, I'm Dory. I don't believe we've met.
Ow. Well, that was great. Okay, on to the next thing. Okay, we're on to the next thing. We are going to do, wait for it, some hunting. As you can see, I've got my trusty gun. So, I think I seen some, I don't know, a panther around here. I don't know how I find one, but, you know, I seen one. So, let's go and see if it's around here somewhere. Okay. I see it! I see the panther. Time to shoot it. Shoot! And again. And again. I think I got him. Excuse me. What do you think you are doing? Oh my word, the panther talks. Okay, listen, I'm sorry, so I'm just, I'm gonna run away. Okay, so we're trying the next best thing. We are gonna do some farming. So, if I could just find my wee little guy here. Hey! There you are. So, this little dude is gonna... What was that? This little dude's gonna work. So, I know I'm pointing a gun at her, but, yeah. Let's see what the food ends up like. So... Wait, you're done? Well, let's go and see what you've done then. So wait, this is all you've done. Okay. Well, let's see what you've done then. Okay, so we've got pizza plants. There's churros. Loads of pizzas. And that's jelly. Very, very good. Very classical. Very classical. Okay. Right. Let's just get back to the time. So after a long, hard-working day in a rainforest, I decided to be here with my friends, my new friends, beside the campfire, and listen to beautiful music. So I hope you enjoyed my geography homework. If you did, leave a like. Subscribe if you haven't.
It's high time I do something useful.
Exactly. He did something useful today, working in a rainforest. So you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. As I said, like the video, please. It would help me out. It would help you out. Make sure you subscribe so you get everything that comes your way from me. So, Miss, I'm hoping I get an A+. Okay? I know you're laughing right now, so I will see you guys. Well, I will be at the back of the class, probably, you know. Look, see? Even Sparrow, he just waved there a couple of seconds ago. And why am I still going on? Okay, I will see you guys. I don't know when. Okay, bye.